Hey guys, welcome back to Recipes with Ryan, and today we're going to be making some fairy cakes. The ingredients for this are really straightforward. All you're going to need is 8 ounces of butter, 8 ounces of caster sugar, 4 beaten eggs and 8 ounces of self-raising flour. So before you start, you're going to want to heat the oven to 190 degrees and spread out a few fairy cake cases in a muffin tin. So the first step in the recipe is to take the butter and the sugar and then cream those two together until they're fluffy. Guys, if there's one thing you're going to take away from this video, please never forget to soften your butter. I just had the worst nightmare. Please soften the butter. And the more you beat that, the more sort of airy and like spongy the cupcakes are going to get. So take your time on it, don't rush. Make it so it's like super fluffy and like got loads of volume, you know? After that, you know the drill. You just got to beat in the eggs a little at a time. And after I've done that, what I like to do with this recipe is beat it for a couple more minutes, just so you get that really good texture in the cakes. So after that, the mixture should look really silky and like big and fat and like smooth, and it should look so pale it's almost white, so it's like sort of like a vampire. And then what you're going to do is fold in the flour with a metal spoon, and it should be a metal one because then it like incorporates more air. Always sift it in first so the mixture doesn't go lumpy, because nobody wants lumpy mixture. And then just fold it in nice and gently. And you want to do this sort of lifting and folding action so you get loads of air in it, because the main thing with these is honestly getting so much air in, because it'll be so much nicer. So that is our mixture done. Oh, that's thick. After that, what you want to do is spoon the mixture into the prepared cases so it's 2/3 full. You might need a smaller spoon as well to scrape the mixture off the spoon. and there's still going to be a bit of mixture left over because this makes 2 trays worth. So when I've taken this out the oven, I'll put another tray's worth of mixture in. Now I'm putting these on the middle shelf at 190 for about 12 minutes. So here are a few of the finished cupcakes. I'm really happy with how these turned out, even though like you basically can't go wrong with this recipe. I am going to decorate them with like a Halloween theme, but I'm going to do that off camera since I'm really not that comfortable with my like decorating skills yet. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. It would mean a lot if you could like this video and subscribe if you want more and comment what you thought about it. Thank you very much. Bye!